Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you where you can find the white wagtail bird in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Well, let me show you my bird watching diary. And I'm going to show you how the white wagtail bird looks like. Okay, this is the bird and I'm going to show you the detailed information about this bird. Basically, if you want to find this bird, you need to go to the Amethyst Beach. Okay, and for the weather, you can meet this bird in any weather. Either the sunny day, rainy day, or during the rainbow event. Okay, and I'm already at the Amethyst Beach. Okay, the location is here guys. Okay, you can go to the flower field and go to the Amethyst Beach, and you can find the bird around here. Okay, just explore this area and you will have chance to meet the white wagtail bird. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, I captured the bird right here. Okay, I think this is the bird. Oh, it's flying. Okay, I'm not sure. Let's check it guys. Oh, it's already gone. But yeah, you can explore this area to meet the white wagtail bird. Okay guys, and that's how you can find the white wagtail bird in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.